Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Algorithmic Innovations. It is the AI developer back at you once again, and we want to talk about the art store today, which is a site that was developed by me for hmm, how do I put it? This was made for a potential client that was in need of an e-commerce site. So this is what I ended up creating. Um, let's see. Oh, let's go through. So as you can see here is discover unique art, buy exclusive artwork from talented artists worldwide, browse our gallery and find your next masterpiece. So we can go to view the gallery here. As you can see, we have some example pieces up here: Sunset Bliss, Ocean Dreams, Abstract Thoughts. We can add one or more of these to the cart. We get some, cool alert notifications there. And if we go to our cart, as you can see here, we can go here. We can add more to the quantity or less or delete items. Then eventually we can go down and check out here. Of course, we have to account for shipping. If we check out, boom, we see the order confirmed. Now this is just a, like I said, a mock demo flow. In a real flow, you'd have a Stripe implementation there when the customer clicks checkout, and you would, of course, capture all the necessary information and payment information to that payment, and then give them, capture the real, give them that information right here back to review, and also the order number as well. So you can go to continue shopping, or you can go back home. But this would just simulate a simple e-commerce website flow on the front end side. And so that's it for this one, guys. Just wanted to show you guys another quick video on what you can do with vibe coding. As you can see here, I do have a, this is the actual code repository that is available here. We'll minimize this for a second so you guys can see the full code. It is split into a few different components. As you can see on the component tree here, we have the artwork card, footer, and navbar, context, and then we have some all of our different pages here. So nothing too special with this, just very basic, very generic, simple color scheme. No real advanced, usage of CSS or styling there. So yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Make sure you guys follow AI Dev now and follow me, of course, on LinkedIn if you're on LinkedIn for more coding content such as this and for more vibe coding. That's it for this one. And as always, make sure you guys keep coding.